Hey, Techno Hodophiles, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Linux with an epic adventure, installing Ubuntu in your laptop or PC and Oracle VirtualBox. So, buckle up, because we'll cover everything from choosing the right version to conquering common installation hiccups. This will be interesting and informative. Once you follow this process, I guarantee you that you will learn the installation process and how to conquer the possible troubleshooting may occurs. Hey yo, techno geeks, do you know what Ubuntu is and how you can take over this Ginny? Okay, Ubuntu operating system is an open-source desktop and server platform with many releases from the official site. Ubuntu was initially a terminal-based command-line operating system that eventually evolved into a GUI-based desktop. Ubuntu can be installed on a PC just like you install a Windows operating system. However, you may alternatively install it alongside a Windows computer on a virtual platform like VirtualBox or Multiboot along with Windows. This guide discusses the step-by-step installation of Ubuntu on VirtualBox or PC. First, let's pick your Ubuntu flavor. We've got the beginner-friendly Desktop Edition, the developer-focused Server Edition, and the lightweight Lubuntu for older machines. Choose your warrior wisely. Before we embark, remember, data backup is our faithful companion. Don't let valuable files fall in the digital desert. Grab your trusty USB drive, 4 GB+, and the Ubuntu ISO image downloaded from its official website. We'll use Mintstick, Etcher, or UNet Bootin to turn this drive into our bootable USB, the key to unlocking Ubuntu. Launch Mintstick, Etcher, or UNet Bootin, select your downloaded ISO, and choose your USB drive. Click Flash and watch the magic happen. Remember, this process erases everything on the USB drive, so double-check. If you are unable to boot from USB you have created, look into BIOS boot order. Now let's train your computer to recognize the USB as its boot leader. Look for the boot order options and promote your USB drive to the top. Power up your PC again and voila! You'll be greeted by the Ubuntu installer. Choose Try Ubuntu to test drive it before committing. Click Install Ubuntu and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your preferred language, keyboard layout, and partitioning scheme according to your needs, or it will use your entire hard disk and ears everything and install Ubuntu. We recommend use entire disk for beginners. Hey, take backup. Set up your username, password, and computer name. Remember, this is your digital fortress, so choose wisely. Tick the boxes for the software you want pre-installed. Ubuntu offers a variety of options, from office suites to games. Don't worry, you can always install more later after installation. Relax and take a deep breath, Techno Hodophiles. The installation is underway. Grab a cup of coffee, watch some penguins waddle, and remember, patience is a virtue. Write ls in terminal and press enter. It lists files, cd will changes directories, and pwd will tells you your current location. Master these, and you'll be file explorers extraordinaire. Sudo apt install package name is your key to installing new software. Just remember, sudo gives you superpowers, so use it wisely. Stuck on a command? Man command name is your digital encyclopedia. It holds the secrets of the Linux world. Keep your system healthy with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. These commands fetch and install the latest software updates, making your Ubuntu experience even smoother. No internet after installation? Don't fret. Most drivers are automatically installed, but some might need manual configuration. Check your network settings and consult online resources for specific fixes. Power outages happen, but fret not. Ubuntu's installer can resume from where it left off. Just reboot and choose Resume Installation on the boot menu. Congratulations, Techno Hodophiles! You've conquered the Ubuntu installation. Now, explore the vast plains of open-source software, customize your desktop, and join the vibrant Linux community. Remember, the journey continues, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So keep learning, keep tinkering, and keep pushing the boundaries of technology. Hey, Techno Hodophiles, leave a comment below with your Ubuntu installation adventures. Did you encounter any challenges? What's your favorite thing about Linux so far? Let's keep the conversation flowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures with Techno Hodophile. Until next time, happy exploring.